Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I'm sharing with you some healthy breakfast ideas, perfect for school, perfect for work, loaded with good stuff in it for you. If you haven't yet, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and let's get into the healthy breakfast. So the first thing we're making are some breakfast cookies. These ones are blueberry and they're perfect for on the go. So I'm starting off by making some flax eggs. I really wanted to keep this recipe vegan, so I'm making some flax eggs, setting that to the side, and then I'm using some almond butter. You can use any kind of nut or seed butter, but what this does is it provides some nice healthy fats that stabilizes your blood sugar and keeps you full. I'm adding in some baking powder just to help them rise and get like cookies, and a little bit of vanilla extract for flavor. Then I'm going to be adding in a pinch of Himalayan salt. It's got so many essential minerals in it for you, and it brings out a bit of the sweetness, along with 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. And then you're just going to mix that all together until you get like a nice thick paste and everything is combined. This makes it really easy when you're going to be adding in the dry. So then I'm adding in a tablespoon of coconut flour, and coconut flour is really different than any other flour. It really absorbs, plus it's high in fiber, and because you don't need a lot, it's a lot of like cost effective because you get a lot of absorption with just a small amount of flour. But you can use another flour, it's just a 1-to-4 ratio. I'm putting in some frozen blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants, loaded with fiber and polyphenols, which help to decrease inflammation. You can do fresh as well, or any other kind of berry or fruit that you like. You're going to need about half a cup of a fresh or frozen fruit, so whatever you have. So I'm making that into cookie shapes, and then I'm going to be baking those off in the oven, and everything is listed down below. And then you have breakfast cookies that you can have as a snack or for breakfast all week long. They're delicious, they're warm, and they're full of fiber and healthy fats. Next up, we're making a sweet potato sandwich, which is my twist on sweet potato toast. And I'm using some avocado. As you guys know, I love avocado, and we need some healthy fats because healthy fats help keep you full. A pinch of Himalayan salt, again, so many essential minerals in it, and then I just scrambled an egg and I put this on top. This was really quick to do. You put the other slice of sweet potato toast, and there you go. You have a sandwich that you made of sweet potato toast. So you basically just put them together. I also want to show you guys a couple of things that I like to carry in my purse or my clinic bag. So mushroom coffee, and then matcha collagen and vital proteins, because you just need to add hot water to it. And then I also always carry some brain octane. And lastly, we're going to make some raw porridge. So I'm starting off with just a few strawberries. I already washed them, and then I just keep them in a container because I know I'm going to get comments about that. So you just take the tops off. You can also do this with blueberry, with raspberry, cherry. And then I'm going to be adding in a cup of soaked cashews. So I soaked them overnight, and then I'm adding in a splash of vanilla. And then I'm adding in some buckwheat into a bowl. And I soaked the buckwheat groats overnight as well to kind of have them sprout and soften a bit, and then they are easier to digest. And what's great about buckwheat is it's actually grain-free. Even though it looks like it's a grain, it's actually a fruit seed, so it's paleo. So I blend the cashew with the strawberries, and then I fold that together, and you get this wonderfully decadent strawberry porridge type mousse pudding thing. And then you can put that into jars, and you can have different jars for the week. I put on some grain-free granola. You can put on whatever toppings you like, and then each jar you can just take to school or to work. I show you guys this in a bowl. So this is just the porridge with some bee pollen, some grain-free granola, and strawberry. So I hope you guys enjoyed these healthy breakfast ideas. If you try them out, be sure to tag me on Instagram. I love seeing all your creations, and let me know down below what other videos you'd like to see, whether it's breakfast, lunch, snack, dinner, or anything like that. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.